Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here's your teacher Batul Said coming up with the topic addition and subtraction of an algebraic expression. All right. In next slide, we have some rules of science. As you all know, when we have two positive numbers, we add the expression, right? When we have one positive and one negative number, we will do subtraction, while we have to put the sign of bigger number in answer. When we have two negative numbers, we have to do the operation of addition, while we have to put the sign of subtraction with the answer. Again, when we have one negative and one positive number, we have to do subtraction, and we have to put the sign of bigger number in answer. Now in next slide, in this slide, I'll show some example of addition and subtraction. For example, you have 5 apples and I'll give you 4 more apples. And when I ask the question, how many apples do you have altogether? You will say 9 apples. I can write it as 5a plus 4a, which is equals to 9a. Here I take the a from these apples, from this apple, and this a from there, and the answer will be 9a, right? And if we have this expression as 5a minus 4a, like I'll give you 5 apples and I take 4 apples from you, then how many apples do you have? You have only 1 apple. Here I want to clear one point, which is in answer, there is no need to write 1 as coefficient of a. We can only write a in answer. It means 1 is there, but it is invisible, right? Now, if we have 5 apples and 4 mangoes and we have to add them, then we can write it as, firstly, we can write it as 5a plus 4m, like we have done before, that we took a from apples, m from mangoes. All right. Now, can we add both of them together? The answer is no, because we can add separately apples and mangoes, but we cannot add apples and mangoes together. Here we got the point that we can only add or subtract like terms, and unlike terms cannot be add or subtract, right? Now in next slide I'll explain it more. See, 5 apples plus 4 apples. Okay, it means 5 times of we can write it 5a plus 4a. It means we have 5 A's and 4 A's. Like I'm going to write, I have written these A's 5 and 4 times, and all together I have how many A's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many A's I have? 9 A's. All right. While if we have this as question, like 5a minus 4a, how many A's I have? Firstly, 5 A's, right? And how many A's I have to take away? 4 A's. So I will cut 4 A's in this expression. How many A's are left? Only 1 A. There is no need to put 1, as you know that 1 is invisible but is there. Now in next slide, I'm going to simplify some algebraic expression, which is firstly we have a 7a plus 2a. First we will write solution and answer. Then we have to copy the question again. Now firstly we have to check the variable whether they are same or not. In other words, you can say that we have to check whether that both terms are like or not. Here in this question, in this expression, we have like terms. Like A is present with 7 also and with A also. So when we add 7 and 2, we get 9A in answer. All right. Now, next question is 7u plus 3v minus 2u plus 5v. Again, we have to write solution first. Then we have to copy the question. All right. Now, in this question, we have two variables, u and v, right? So firstly, we have to write the like terms together, like 7u minus 2u together and 3v plus 5v together. In next step, I'll write 7u minus 2u. Why minus 2u? Because here the sign of 2u is minus. All right. Now I'll write this 3v plus 3v and plus 5v. Here I subtract 2u from 7u. I got the answer 5u. And I'll add 3v plus 5v. I got the answer 8v. Can we do it further? No, because both are unlike terms now. Here I have u as variable and here I have v as variable. Now next question is 5d minus 4d plus 2. We'll write solution first and copy the question. In this question, I have constant 2, right? 5d minus 4d plus 2. In this expression, this 2 is constant. We don't have any variable with this 2. So, first of all, we have to subtract this 4d from 5d. The answer will be d only and plus 2. We cannot simplify this expression further because one is variable and one is constant. So, this d plus 2 will be the answer. Hope you all understand it well, and now we'll be able to do your assignment, which we are going to give you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.